Hello everyone. My friends and I have created a proof of concept for a distributed electronic health record or EHR system. In today's interconnected world, healthcare demands systems that are not just smart but also robust, secure, and always available. Imagine a healthcare record system that can handle thousands of patients, protect sensitive data, and keep running even if parts of it go offline. That's the power of distributed system. Unlike traditional centralized systems, a distributed EHR spreads its workload across multiple servers and locations. Our project tackles these challenges using a blend of powerful distributed computing techniques. We use Java RMI for secure, type-safe interactions, enabling seamless communication between doctors and patients. For broader interoperability and mutual exclusion, we implement XML RPC in Python, allowing different parts of a system to talk to each other effortlessly. Imagine multiple doctors trying to update the same patient record. Our system uses a priority based mutual exclusion mechanism to prevent deadlocks and ensure fair resource access. This ensures critical updates are handled efficiently without conflict. To guarantee data availability and fault tolerance, we have implemented database replication. If one replica goes down, a copy is immediately available, ensuring zero data loss and continuous service. Patient traffic can spike. Our system uses a buffer and clone mechanism for load balancing. Incoming requests are buffered and then intelligently distributed to cloned hospital servers, preventing overload and maintaining performance. So let's see it in action. Here, a patient logs in through the web interface, viewing their record and submitting an update request. As the client proceeds for updation, the doctor can view it effortlessly in the following manner. So here, simultaneously, a doctor can access all patient information and update a record like prescribing new medicines. Our system's backend logs every action in real time. As you can see here, I'm updating a patient's name along with its ID. So you can see here and a message is emerged that the patient 2 has been updated successfully. Now when I get all the records here, you can see that the ID 2 has been replaced with the name Isha. And behind the scenes, our concurrency mechanisms are hard at work, ensuring high priority actions are processed first and every interaction is smooth. We also implemented a simplified clock synchronization algorithm, specifically variant of the Berkeley algorithm, which we used to ensure that all our devices in this distributed system have consistent timestamps. It has proved crucial for accurately logging events in our healthcare system. To ensure consistency and avoid race conditions, we implemented Ricard Agrawala's mutual exclusion algorithm, which uses timestamped requests and replies to guarantee that only one client edits the record at a time while others wait. We also implemented load balancing for patient query handling using XML RPC. In this shared buffer of fixed capacity, we used to store patient requests. When the buffer utilization was below 90%, incoming requests were processed by the main server. If the buffer reached its maximum capacity, excess requests were transparently redirected to a clone function, which handled them internally without affecting system availability. This ensured that all patient queries were served even under heavy load, simulating a practical load balancing mechanism in distributed healthcare system. In the following manner, we had implemented our project using a specified IP address which was shared between the server and the client over a same network. This project demonstrates the foundational principles for building highly available and resilient healthcare systems. It's a stepping stone towards EHRs that are truly intelligent and distributed. This project showcases how distributed computing can revolutionize healthcare. If you're interested in the code or want to learn more about the Berkeley time synchronization algorithm we used, check out the links in the description below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into cutting edge